excited kasi ang gagawin ko today ay I'm gonna be unboxing my new Samsung Galaxy A22. Yay! Bagong-bago. I got this morning kasi when I started vlogging a week ago, I realized that I need extra phone that has a really good camera, high storage, and good battery. So I think this is my best choice. I got this Samsung Galaxy A22 and let's open it now. Actually, tinanggal ko na yung plastic kasi dinisinfect ko siya. So it's open now. But I just wanna share with you what's inside the box. Of course, the phone itself, earphones, and cord, and the battery, the charger. Buksan na natin. Oh my God! Kita sa salamin yung camera ko. Nagmi-mirror siya. It was launched just 3 months ago, June 3, 2021. It was out in the market last July. So 2 months pa lang siya in the market, bagong-bago pa, fresh na fresh. It has the resolution of 720 by 1600 megapixels, Android 11 support, with internal memory 128 gigabytes, 4 gigabytes random access memory, and with 5,000 milliamperes battery. So, yun yung unang-unang specs na tinitingnan ko pag bumibili ako ng phone. Kasi sa vlogging, you really need high internal memory for storage and high milliamperes of battery and good resolution. So, I guess mabibigyan niya naman ng justice yung pangangailangan ko. I think I made the right choice. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Shout out to Mr. Kerobin Masanda from Sweden.